Hi guys, just back from holiday, dumped loads of stuff straight on the table here. There's even more you can't see out of sight on the floor there, but when I got in the door there was a card from the postman saying he had failed to deliver a package. So I've been up to collect it and I'm going to open it. It's from Joshua Finn, who lots of people will know makes excellent model aeroplanes. So we'll have a look and see what's inside. Oh, right. We have Super Carbonet 8 Catapult Glider by J&H Aerospace. That's Joshua Finn. I apologise, Joshua and Hope, I think it is. Apologies if I've got the name wrong, my memory is awful. So we've got that one to put together. I can see it's laser cut balsa. We have the Carbonet 12 Catapult Glider, so that's 8 and 12. And we have the Alida Catapult Glider. I think Joshua had noticed I was making one of these out of pizza trays, or at least one of his examples. Beginner's free flight glider, great for school groups, STEM programs, children and anyone interested in the fine art of free flight soaring. So I've got 3 models there to put together. I honestly don't know when I'm going to get to do them, because having just been on 2 weeks holiday, I've got hours and hours of video to edit for all the stuff that I've done on holiday. But I will be doing these. I'll do build videos and I'll do flying videos. What I will have to do is watch his build videos to remind me how to do them. But there we are, Joshua. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you sending these to me, and I'll do my best to do you proud. So that's the Grandad's Postbag episode. I suppose we could call it an unboxing, but it's not a full unboxing because I'm not going to actually open them out yet. But there we go. Thank you very much, Joshua.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.